Kalambat dari nga anak ko. At kalalo po. Yan o. May Tim Hortons la. Dahil miyachi. Ano king kabisyo. Kaya nga anak. Uli pong summer niya mapali. Hindi nakikitang pangani ako. Ngayon ni Bisaya ka nang mag-team. So yan po. Yan, hawin na po hila.
Still family owned to this day, their local Simplot Solutions team is committed to helping you succeed.
Hilig.
They know that farming is more than a livelihood. It's a basic
How is it? Where's Rachel? Put it in the ala. Yan na.
SimplotGrowerSolutions.ca.
Oh, okay.
Is this mine?
Yeah.